Part of the process of going through erectile dysfunction, I think people need to understand that it is a couples issue. We've been married for 43 years now, but you've got to be able to talk about these things, and even though your surgeon or your GP might have spoken to you about the probability of there being erectile dysfunction, it's put on the back burner until you overcome the cancer part of the journey. And I think a lot of people just put it at the back of their minds and don't openly speak about it until 5 or 6 weeks after, when the man is starting to come back to how he was before the operation. And it's just a process where he's now feeling inclined that he wants to partake of sexual activity, and how do we go about that as a couple? Because we know now that nothing's going to work unless we do something about it, and we have a great need at that time to talk to our surgeon.
I think you're right. This is really a couples issue, and from our point of view, being married for so long, we've always been open communicators, and it really is quite something to get diagnosed with a cancer and to have these side effects. You've really got to be open to one another, and we've found that in our experience, being open, Pam accompanying me to all of the appointments with medical specialists, that we've tackled this issue together, and it gives me a lot of confidence, and I think it gives Pam a lot of confidence that it's made a difference being very open.